Hi everybody, today my dad will be rating these fidgets, and I guess my dog here. So how about a needle first? Let me get it out. How about this needle? Out of 10.
Sticky and squishy.
So what's
I'd give it a 4 because
4? Okay.
Lulu wants to eat it.
No, Lily can't eat it. Okay, next, how about this pineapple poppet?
Very colorful.
Yes.
Very
Really?
relaxing. See what Lulu gives it. Lulu gives it 6.5 sniffs. She might give it a lick. Oh, she gave it a paw.
She gave it a paw.
One paw.
Okay. So what do you rate it, Daddy?
I give it 2 paws.
2 paws. So what number is that, basically?
Let's go with an 8.5.
8.5. Okay. How about a infinity cube now? The red infinity
It's like
cube.
something Lulu might eat.
Yeah, she's gonna break it apart with her bare teeth. You're cool.
I give it a 6.5.
A 6.5.
Lulu gives it 1 sniff. And a bite.
And a bite. Yeah. Okay.
Good one.
Okay.
That was a good one.
She gave it a bite. How about the blue marble mesh?
Oh, now this. Lulu, what do you think of this one?
Don't eat it, okay? Oh, she needs to.
What do you think of that one?
Don't eat it. No, don't eat it. You can't eat it, Lulu.
It's a nose tickler.
Mom, so for the pineapple popper, she put her paw up.
She really likes it tickling her nose. How
Okay.
does it smell?
No, you
It
can't
smells
eat
good,
it.
don't it? It smells like a sausage.
It smells like Jonah's hands.
You want to eat it? Nope. Okay, she doesn't want to eat it, but I give it a 9. 'Cause that's
A
my
9.
favorite.
How about a tango?
Oh, this thing is weird. I don't know. See if we can do this now. Yeah, put it on the smell.
You're gonna choke her. Okay. No. Okay, Lulu, get off you now. Hi. So what do you rate it, Dad?
But then we have to give it, what do you think? Oh, wow, she just.
1 sneeze.
That's 1 sneeze.
And 1.
So that's for me, it's a 5.
A 5? A 5 for this tango.
Okay.
Okay. And next, how about a puzzle ball?
Let's see the puzzle ball. I like the puzzle ball. Chase the puzzle ball.
Yeah.
Would you like to chase the puzzle ball?
Or eat it. No, the best was the pineapple popper for her.
Ah! Sneeze. That's
Okay,
1 sneeze in the face.
So what do you get? What
I
do you
give
get?
that a 9.
A 9? Okay, a 9. I don't know which one's going to be a 10 for him. So how about another stress ball? It just came out of the net though. It came out of the snit. So let's see what he rates it. It changes colors also.
Look at that. I like the color change. Very, very, very good.
It's a little dirty though. After being in this bin for 2 days.
No, you can't eat this.
Okay, no, you're gonna pop it then.
It tastes good though.
Yeah, it tastes good. I think it has like slime in there or something. So what do you rate it?
I give it a 7.
A 7? Oh. So this one I would rate it, but Lulu loves, hates these, and she gets so scared of them. She's gonna bark at it. She hates them. So I'm not gonna really do those, but try these, maybe these.
Uh-oh.
There's a Dalmatian and a weird
Yeah,
kitty
if we
cat.
hang it like this.
So squeeze
And
it.
we'll hypnotize it. Lulu's getting hypnotized.
Hypnotize.
More frozen.
Okay. What do you rate it, Daddy?
I give this a 9.5 because I'm fun bouncing it off Lulu's nose.
He gives these a 9.5.
It's like the wrecking ball on Lulu's head.
No! Okay, you laugh at her. Okay, how about this squishy
Oh, it looks like a cheeseburger.
cheeseburger?
Is that a Lulu cheeseburger? No. It's a hot.
Oh! You don't have to.
Uh-oh.
Alright, keep that one. So what did you give it, Dad?
That, just for comedic purposes, that's a 10.
Oh, he gave this one a 10. Next,
Lulu got the wear on her head.
a unicorn puppet.
Oh, this one. Right is on Lulu's head.
Okay, pop it. Let's see.
Those are the poppies, push it through. Alright, you're killing my arm. What do you think of this one? Oh, oh. What do you think of this one?
You're sliding, Lulu.
What do you think of this one?
Lulu's sliding.
What do you eat?
No, don't eat it. It's red.
It might not eat it.
Okay, so what did you rate it? What do you rate it?
That's my favorite one, so that's a 10.
So he likes this one a lot. This one was actually my first Poppet I ever got. And they're all from Learning Express. Some of my fidgets, all of my fidgets are from Learning Express. Some of my squishies I got for birthdays. And then these I just got from Walmart. But mostly like my actual fidgets like a Tangle or a Neato are from Learning Express. And these are at Learning Express and they're technically called a fidget. So yeah. How about this fidget spinner my brother just found in my brother's drawer, and I just kept it. Honestly. So what do you think about this one? Lulu, don't eat it. She hates them. Lulu hates them. Look, she hates it. She's gonna eat it. She has bad memos with it. Lulu's getting hypnotized. Lulu's got hypnotized. Do you like these? Okay, so what do you rate it, Daddy?
I give that a 7.5.
7.5. Look at the color.
It's so pretty, right?
So that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my dad rating my fidgets and my dog eating some
Maybe
of
not all
them.
6, but maybe on 2,
Bye.